Hold on. Guys, welcome back, and pinatay ko electric fan kasi sobrang ingay. So today I'm gonna share with you guys my current skincare routine, actually nighttime routine, and I just got back home from an event. Actually nagninang ako, so I still have my makeup on, so I'm gonna remove my makeup and show you guys my step-by-step, at least step-by-step ha. I'll try to do step-by-step na skincare routine for you guys, so I can give you guys an update on yung mga current products na ginagamit ko sa face ko. So I'll start with, of course, my makeup remover. My makeup remover, and you guys know na last time ginamit ko yung Nivea na makeup remover, but I went back to the Garnier one. This is 249 pesos, and the variant that I'm using is the blue one. This is really good for removing waterproof makeup and yung mga makakapal na makeup. I really like this one. It has no oil and it's very gentle to the skin. It doesn't make my skin irritated, even doesn't make my eyes swell or nangingiyak yung mata. So I really like this one. This is available so Watsons for only 249, and this is my very favorite, very affordable makeup remover. So I have this one. I'll just have to shake it off. And my cotton pads, and this cotton pads is actually from Watsons, pero yung lalagyanan was from Daiso, Japan. Binili ko lang yung lalagyanan with the cotton pads, but nung nag-refill na ako, I just bought the one from yung Watsons. So ito yung cotton pads ko, very thick siya, ganyan. And I'm just gonna put the makeup remover. Very little lang naman. Yan. And I'm gonna take off my lipstick, and very mainit. I'll take off my lipstick first. By the way, my lipstick is from Maybelline. Maybelline lipstick. The shade is Lover. Ito yung kanilang lipstick na Super Stay lipstick in the shade of Lover. So if you guys are wondering. Next naman is yung aking kilay. Ayan. Okay, so ayan. Very dirty. I'm just gonna split it in half para mas makatipid. I'm gonna split it in half and just cover it back so para mas malinis yung side na to. And I'm gonna take off my false lashes. I'm gonna take off my mascara, and I have some very light na eyeshadow there. Ayan. Yan, and then the rest, just take off my blush. Ayan. Okay, so that's done. I already have all of my makeup removed, and I only used a one pad of cotton, and very tiny lang nung amount nung ating makeup remover. So, ayan na, naalis ko na yung aking makeup. Wala na akong, mascara, wala na akong eyeshadow, which I really have very little lang naman na eyeshadow, and my lipstick is gone already, no foundation, wala na, very clean na. But I still need to clean my face because syempre marami pang products na nandito. So I'm gonna use my rejuvenating soap. Of course, I love rejuvenating soap kasi mas nakiklean yung face. So I'm using, ito yung sarili kong brand ng rejuvenating soap. This is a Kojic and a Gluta-in-1. So Gluta Kojic siya na rejuvenating soap. It's really nice. I use it every day. As you can see, kinat ko lang siya in half para mas makatipid ako, para magamit ko lang siya sa face. So I'm gonna show you guys how I use this one. I'm gonna just clean my face. Yeah. Super mabula, and it's super gentle sa face. Hindi siya mahapdi sa mukha, just like other na mga Kojic soap na sometimes very mahapdi sa mukha and nakaka-irritate. This is very mild, not very mild, I wouldn't say very mild, pero mas softer siya sa face, and meron din siyang glutathione. Actually, marami na naka-purchase na ito and nakapag-try na ito kasi kasama to doon sa aking rejuvenating set na kasama siya sa soap na rejuvenating set. I'm just gonna wash my face. So, ayan na. Malinis yung face ko, guys. Already washed. That's very clean now. So now guys, I'm done with the face. I already washed it. It's fresh and it's clean now. But I'm gonna use another additional method, which I really actually do, especially when I have a waterproof mascara or an eyeshadow, or if I put an eyeliner on. It's very important that you do this step, kasi if you don't, you're gonna wake up with like a panda eye because you have eyeliner all over your eye area. So I just use a regular baby oil. This is actually just from Watson's. I'm just gonna use a Q-tip, and I like to use a baby oil because it's really good for the eye. Hindi siya masyado masakit. It's very gentle, and I'm just gonna use you guys as a mirror. So dito mga part na to, you wanna clean that and follow up kasi meron pa yan. Ayan no, meron pa siya dito sa mga area na to, especially for the mascara area. You guys can see that it's still there, so you can just follow up on that. Ayan, see, meron pa. Ayan, so that's all clean. Now, all clean na siya. And then the other one is just to follow up on that kasi malinis naman na siya. And after ko malinis yung aking eye area with the Q-tip and baby oil, very simple lang naman. Now it's time to actually rejuvenate and use a toner on my face. So of course, I'm using my Luminous Skin Rejuvenating Toner. Pang second set or pang third set ko na to na ginagamit. And of course, I'm gonna use a cotton pads. This much amount. Hindi naman sobrang dami. I don't know if mako-close up siya. Yan, gaya na ko karami maglagay ng toner. Hindi sobrang dami, hindi rin naman sobrang onte. So, I'm just gonna use this sa face ko and then sa neck area ko. Of course, don't forget the neck area. So now, malinis yung face ko. Ito na siya yung toner. So now, I'm just gonna let it air dry for just a couple of seconds lang. I'm just gonna let it air dry para matuyo. Let your skin absorb the toner para mas maging fresh, mas maging revitalize yung skin mo. Or optional then, if you have a roller or yung glass, meron yung jade roller, you can also do that. I do have another roller, pero pinakita ko na yun sa inyo before, but hindi ko siya mahanap kung saan ko nilagay. For sure, nalaro ni Michael. I actually use that for my face. Dito ginaganon ko. But if you don't have that, you can self-massage your face ng paganyan pataas or paganon. Yan. Just i-lift mo lang yan para mas mag-firm yung ating face ng pataas na ganon. Yan. You can do that also. If you don't have a roller, you can use your hands. Of course, make sure it's clean. Yan. So, yan. You can do that for like maybe 1 minute. Ganon. So, after nung toner, nag-dry na siya sa face, after the massage, now it's time to use a rejuvenating cream. Of course, for the cream, I use the rejuvenating set cream. Ito yung rejuvenating cream na kasama dun sa ating rejuvenating set. So, I have onting-onti na lang yung natitira. But, it's still okay. Okay pa naman to. Kahit onti na lang yung natitira dyan, I'm still gonna use that. Guys, ito na yung aking rejuvenating cream. Ubus na. Mayroon pa onting natira, but I'm still gonna use that. And as you guys can see, yung color niya nag-darken na because of the exposure. But that's okay. It's still the same formula. It still is the same effect for the skin. So, I'm just gonna put that all over my face. Ganyan lang ako maglagay ng rejuvenating cream, guys. Hindi sobrang kapal. So, I'm just gonna put that all over my face. Hindi sobra dito sa eye area na to, guys. Only dito lang sa baba na to. Yung sobra, ibaba nyo lang sa neck nyo. But, very optional lang naman. If may sobra kayong rejuvenating cream, you can put that also in your neck. But, you don't need to if you don't want to. Ako, toner lang naman yung nasa neck ko eh. So, ayan. Tapos na yung aking rejuvenating cream. As you guys can see, very little lang. It goes a long way. And your skin is really gonna get rejuvenated. Nakapang second or third set na ako sa Luminous Skin Rejuvenating Set. As you guys can see, it's a big difference. Ever since na nag-start ako mag-vlog right around September, my face wasn't the same. And now, after like a couple of months days of using it. Yung electric fan guys, kasi sobrang pinapawisan na ako. So now, since tapos na ako sa nagwash ng face, nagalis ng makeup, using the yung product na yun, nakalimutan ko na guys, nantok na ako. And then, take off ng makeup, ng eyeliner, and everything. Nagwash using the rejuvenating soap, gumamit ng toner, and then gumamit ng rejuvenating cream, which is very easy. Ang easy-easy na ng skincare routine ko at night. So now, the next step is actually just optional. So I have dry lips, which I battle with every day. So I use a chapstick. This is just a regular chapstick. This is just from Carmex. This is the original classic lip balm from Carmex, and just put that sa lips mo lang. Yan, para malambot siya and mas mababad siya, and then when you wake up in the morning, your lips are gonna be softer. So I do this every day or every other day. It depends on my lip situation, because I am mostly dry on the lip area because I use lipstick and other products like that, and sometimes it causes your lips to be dry, or as you guys saw, I actually just have dry skin. And then after that, this is optional. You can use an eye cream, or if you don't have an eye cream, you can also use a Ultra Repair cream from First Aid. This is from First Aid Beauty, the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Skin Hydration. Use this for my under eye area. This is very nice. It's like creamy. It's super creamy like that. It's a big tub like this. And I just put this around sa eye ko para mababad lang siya and mas maging rejuvenated and mas hydrated yung aking eye area. So, okay lang kahit umapaw-apaw siya, para lang siya magiging maas sa eye ko. And that's it. And may sobra pwedeng ilagay sa kamay para mas malambot yung ating hands. And that's it for my nighttime skincare routine. Very easy. And meron pa ako mga ibang skincare routine. It depends on my skincare situation. If it's dry, and then I'll do another step. Or if may pimple ako, I'll do another step. Pero for now, this is my basic, my everyday, as in nothing else. After this, I'm just gonna sleep, or maybe I'm just gonna edit this video so I can upload it right away. And that's it. I don't hide anything else. This is my skincare routine, and I hope you enjoy this video. And that's it. I'm gonna go to sleep. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.